Amo, nakakainis. Oh my god, I thought you did that. That has made my day.
Oh. Nice.
Boo at your dog.
Boo!
Treat? You just had a whole bunch, so you can't have any. No treats for you. Waffles?
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement.
You can't get that way. Come on. Come on. Oh. Help them the other way. Good girl. Oh, oh, you're so good. So good.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is.
Who did that? No! Blue, no. Listen, stop. Blue, listen. Who did that? That's a bad boy. No. Blue, stop, buddy. Who did that? That is a big mess. No, don't yell. Blue, you're a bad boy. No, this is very bad. No, stop yelling. Blue, no. Bud, please stop. Blue, I'm talking to you. Blue, listen. No. Who did that? Who made a big mess? Who made it? No, bad boy.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is.
You have to stop relocating the wee-wee pad. It confuses the other dogs, and I don't want to look at that in the living room.
A Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights.
Did you know that most German Shepherds are big babies? While we all look big and tough, we sometimes can be what my dad calls a little bitch. I will not do poopies in the rain. And sometimes I freak out and do zoomies when my ding dong touches the water in my kiddie pool. I am scared to death of peanut butter because every time mom has to give me medicine her dumbass puts it in peanut butter and I remember that shit and I'm like, bitch, that's not a snack, this is a trap. Sometimes brother steps on my foot and I scream so loud it makes me fart and the whole house comes running and everyone is like, what the fuck, and then mom has to hold my hand for a half hour until I feel better. Please help me feel better and drop me a comment. Love and huggies.
Grab my hand. Grab my hand. Now we wait. We wait for that. Now we go. Keep holding my hand. Keep holding my hand. Keep moving. Keep your feet. Why is your hand slipping?